Welcome to the CoPOS sorting video. Throughout CoPOS, there are many options that generate tables of items, members, and other things that you may want to sort. Standard sorting is easy, but CoPOS has some tips and tricks you may want to know about. Let's jump into option 6.5. View items in specified locations. The point is to generate a table of items, so we'll zip through the initial prompts. At the Item Selection Method box, we'll select 3, Existing Query. We'll enter a query. Refresh? No. Special Order Items? No. Show Margin? No. The sort order is shown in the upper left corner on the second line. In this option, and most options dealing with items, this will start out being Description. At the choice bar at the bottom of the screen, we see a Sort tab, so we can arrow over to select that. We now see the different attributes that we can sort by. Usually, the first tabs in the choice bar will match the columns in the table. Note that Name is sometimes used in place of Description due to space concerns. Let's arrow over and select Brand. We then see that we can sort in ascending or descending order. Let's select Descending. We now see that brand column full of Z's. If we look in the upper left corner, we see the word brand followed by descend, since we chose to sort by brand in descending order. Let's select Sort again. There are two tabs that need explaining. Order Entered and Fields are available in many options dealing with items. Notice that Order Entered is grayed out and therefore unavailable to us. Typically, the Order Entered tab is only available to item selection methods dealing with items you enter, item lists, and item files. In this option, those would be number 4, items you enter, number 5, item list, and number 7, CoPOS standard item file. For these, it is useful to use the order entered. We used item selection number 3, existing query, so the order entered is not applicable. Now let's arrow over and select Fields. We now see a box with many attributes, 79 the last time I counted, that we can sort by. This box will appear the same throughout CoPOS options dealing with sorting items. Let's select Department Number, then Ascending Order. There is no department number column, so this is a blind sort, but we can look in the upper left corner to see that we are sorting by department number. Next, let's discuss sorting in view boxes. We'll select View Detail, we'll select Find, and enter Goji Berries. Then we'll select Profiles, then Purchasing Members. A box comes up listing members in alphabetical order by last name. Not every view box is sortable, but if F6 Sort is displayed at the bottom of the screen, the box is sortable. Let's press the F6 key, and we see that we can sort by any of the column headings in blue. Let's select Dollar Purchased, then Descending Order. Now we can see who has purchased the most of a particular item. Okay, let's get out of this option and hit on one last topic, sorting by the right column field in Queries. From the main menu, we'll go into option 1.8, the Sales Query. We'll enter F for first of the year, through T for today. We'll press the Escape key so we are only excluding voided sales. Then we'll select Compile Query. We'll select the More tab, then the Right Column tab. From the big box, we'll select Payment by Check. Sort by this field? Yes. Descending Order. We now see that the right column heading has changed to Check Payment, and the amounts go from highest to lowest, so we know our sort has taken place. If this video has piqued your interest on queries, know that we have a video on those too. Thanks for watching.